Do you have trouble seeing and want to see better? Do you want to have 20/20 vision? There are lots of things that you can do naturally to improve your vision. I'm going to show you step by step what you should do to improve your vision, and you should see results within 7 days. Whether you're nearsighted or farsighted, it doesn't matter whether you have astigmatism or you just have a little bit blurry vision. Whatever your problem is, you can improve it some yourself. You do not always have to go to surgery. You can help fix it naturally. In fact, I want you to do this. I want you to try it, do it for 7 days, and leave me a comment down below so everyone else can see how well it's worked for you. All right, we're going to go over 7 steps that you need to take, and they're pretty easy. You can do this. So step 1, you're going to do this Ayurvedic treatment. Now, Ayurvedic medicine is natural medicine, so no, it's not your conventional Western medicine, but it does work. It's been proven to work, and they've had lots of good results. So what you need to do is take 1 teaspoon of raw honey. It has to be raw honey because that's where most of the nutrients are at. And mix that with 2 tablespoons of fresh carrot juice that you juiced yourself. Drink this up every day. You can take it first thing in the morning before you have breakfast to really help it to get absorbed in your system. Step 2, you need to be taking honey eye drops. You can watch my video up here on honey for your eyes. I did a whole video on that, but I'm not going to go into it too much. Honey eye drops are very great for your eyes. You need to make these drops. You need 1 part of raw honey and mix it with 2 parts of pure distilled water. Mix this up and you can use this in an eyedropper and put a few drops in your eyes 2 to 3 times a day. Raw honey has lots of vitamins your eyes absorb and use, so it's very good for your eyes. This will help to strengthen the optical nerve, the muscles around your eyes, and give your eyes a good dose of the nutrition that they're probably missing. Please go watch my video I did on honey for your eyes to see all of what honey does for the eyes and how to use it. Make sure you put these drops in every day. You can please go check with a natural doctor before you start doing this so they could double check it and make sure this is right for you. You could go to a conventional Western doctor, but they would probably not recommend any of this. So your best bet would be going to a natural doctor who knows more about this. But these methods have been proven to work. There's been lots of studies, lots of natural doctors use these methods, and they work well. Step 3 is making sure we have enough of the vitamins, antioxidants that we need for our eyes. So 2 vitamins that really help to improve our eyesight, it's been proven to improve our eyesight, is vitamin A. When you don't have enough vitamin A, your eyes cannot adjust well with the lighting, and it makes it difficult to see at night and low light and different lighting that's not nice and bright. So that's a good sign that you're probably deficient in vitamin A. If you're not having those signs, just make sure you're getting enough either way. Also having lutein. Lutein is very important for your eyes. It's very important for your retina. And your retina helps to shield against too much light and the damage from that. So if you have enough lutein, this will help to aid your eyes in processing that extra light coming in so it doesn't hurt you. And what is lutein? It is an antioxidant, and you can find it in many fruits and vegetables such as spinach and Swiss chard, dark leafy greens. So make sure you're eating your greens. Very important. Here's a quick list of some foods you should be including during the 7 days to really help your eyes make sure they're getting enough nutrients. So omega-3 fatty acids, this is a big one. You can take cod liver oil every day to make sure you get this, or you can eat fatty fish. That's really high in omega-3 fatty acids such as salmon. So your choice, but make sure you're getting enough omega-3s. This is very important for your eyes. Others you can take, of course, is carrots, sweet potatoes. Liver is also a good one. All of these have lots of vitamin A. Dark greens, also lots of vitamin A. You can eat seeds and nuts. These have a lot of vitamin E and antioxidants, which are also very great for your eyes. Bell peppers. Just make sure you're getting a lot of fruits and vegetables. And good healthy food, obviously, will give your nutrients that you need. So step 4, eye exercises. Don't be lazy with this. If this process works for you, these 7 steps, and you see improvement, you should do this regularly and it will stay good for you. So exercising your eyes really does work. I'll go over a few of the exercises so you don't have to look them up. The first one is palming. This is where you place your palms over your eyes so you can't see any light at all. This takes off your eye strain and relieves a lot of the pressure, stress in your eyes. This is very good. I just place them over your eyes for a few seconds and do this about 5 to 7 times. And they call that palming, just placing your palms over your eyes. The next one is eye rolling, rolling your eyes. You can roll them in each direction and do it about 5 times. Take a break a little bit between each one. Another good exercising is refocusing. So you focus on something close, such as your hands, and then you look at something far away, at least 20 feet away. Try and focus on that, and then look back again close. And do this about 5 times. This refocusing really helps to get your lens and everything to start to work good, your muscles around. An exercise that might work really nice is you could lay down on the bed and just look up at the ceiling and trace around the corners of the room with your eye. Try to go slowly because your eye likes to jump ahead. So you got to try and go across the line of the ceiling all the way around each corner and do this. Go around the room about 5 times and do it again the other direction. This is also a very good exercise. Eye exercising is very effective. If you want to look into more techniques about it, they have a Bates method that's very good, more intense exercises and things that you can do. But if you don't want to, these exercises will be enough to improve your vision within 7 days. Step 6, try to practice the 20-20-20 rule. This applies to when you're looking at your computer or your phone or any kind of electronics. If you're looking at it for 20 minutes, you need to stop after 20 minutes and take a break and look at something at least 20 feet away for 20 seconds. And then you can again go back to your phone or electronic device, whatever you're looking at, for another 20 minutes. So every 20 minutes, take a break and look far away for 20 seconds. This is very important because your eyes need a break. Electronics move very fast. Even if you're just reading online or looking on your phone, the screen and everything moves very fast for your eyes and it makes your eyes very tired. So it's really good to give it a break regularly. So 20 minutes looking, take a break for 20 seconds. Just try and do this as a habit. It's very easy. Last step. I feel all of these are really easy. So I think you all can do this, and I'd love to hear down below how well it's worked for all of you. Make sure you look at like a eye chart or something before you get started so you can see how well you're doing before you start. You could kind of measure your progress. So maybe you can read the first 3 lines of something at 20 feet away and now you can read 10 lines. So give something to measure it before you get started so you can really see how well it's working for you. Step 7, this is kind of important because these things really affect your vision. And if you could get rid of them alone, that would help your vision. So number 1 is smoking. Smoking is very hard on your vision. It destroys your eyes. So if you could stop smoking, your vision would probably improve. Sugar, another killer. Sugar kills your body in every way, all your body organs, so of course your eyes as well. If you could get rid of that, you'd be doing amazing. Junk food and vegetable oils. This includes almost every kind of oil out there, except for maybe olive oil. And even then, you need to make sure you get really good olive oil, maybe coconut oil. But vegetable oils are highly toxic. They're very bad for your system, so try and get rid of these. That's why you should get rid of junk food, most things that are fried or baked using these vegetable oils, so you want to try and eliminate that. Low-fat foods, these are not good. You need that natural fat that's in butters and eggs and meats and that raw fat is good for you. So low-fat foods actually are robbing you of nutrients that you really need, especially for your eyes. And having the right amount of fat actually helps other nutrients be absorbed properly in your body. So if you don't have it, then they don't get absorbed. And the last one is alcohol. So try and get rid of alcohol again, toxic for your body. So that's it. Those are the 7 steps. Most of them super easy. You can start them today. So I'm really excited to see how well it works for you. Please give it a try. Give me some comments below so everyone else can see the great results. Make sure you go and watch my video I did on honey for your eyes. Very good information there if you want to see why you're putting honey in your eyes and all the things about it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.